Want to work in finance? Want to be a corporate baddie? What do those guys do in suits anyways, and how do I join the club?
We're not gonna be friends.
There's so many jobs I don't want to do, but maybe you want to make it on Wall Street and don't know your options. From investment banking to actuarial sciences, finance attracts people who have an affinity for numbers and are very analytical and have a healthy dose of narcissism, grounded in a lust for power and money. The industry encompasses a bunch of roles, including front office roles like investment banking and back office roles like tax and accounting. It's like a restaurant. The front office is trying to drive revenue and is customer facing, whereas the back office is cooking the food, getting the business done, making sure everything's operating correctly, doing the actual work. There's too many individual jobs to list, so I'll just give a brief overview here. Because time is money, and we do not waste money. Unless we're billing it out. Compliance and tax.
FBI, open up!
These roles are the backbones of many operations. They include regulatory compliance and tax structuring. Accountants manage financial records, they prepare financial statements, and they ensure that companies are adhering to tax codes and related regulations.
How else would you do this job?
Tax experts, on the other hand, develop strategies to maximize profitability and minimize liability. Lawyers handle all the legal risk, and they often hire outside lawyers to deal with the more complicated stuff. It's intense and often long hours. It's a lot of FaceTime, editing decks, turning comments, playing with Excel to create models, and doing a lot of grunt work. But you're paid a lot and your career progresses a lot. Usually a lot of people take this job so that they can grind it out for 3 years and then leave to something that they actually like to do, like VCs, venture capital, hedge funds, or private equity.
Because none of you, not one, has done a single day of work.
Investment banking is great if you like not spending time with your loved ones and don't like poor people. Planning and advisory services. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's advising people or companies on how to manage their finances and plan for the future. Financial advisors assess their clients' financial situation and try to come up with goals and come up with a tailored plan to assess their needs. It's very client-facing, so maintaining good relationships with your clients is crucial, and developing a network in order to gain new clients is crucial. Once you're in the game and you get some valuable experience, you'll be passed around and used like some high-class employee. A career in finance can be rewarding, but it's a bit of a Faustian bargain or a deal with the devil, because you're kind of giving away trade-offs for a very high salary. You're gonna have to work a lot of hours and never see daylight.